Watch the car. I said I don't.
Let's go and skate into the I'm seriously not trying to do this. I incredibly suck at BMX.
Don't put your face.
Oh, shit. So much for good genes. I'm back.
Alright, hold on, let me get the bike. Good cameraman never takes the film off. I guess I'm not a good cameraman. Can he make it back without busting his ass?
Do you even have on the right foot?
Yeah, I think you do. Watch it, car.
No.
Oh.
Did he come?
No, he's turning right there. Don't get too much speed. You're gonna end up in the hospital.
Speed! Huh?
Truck.
Oh, shit. My leg!
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Did you grab?
I got one. Hey! Boy, kid. Plenty of time.
Dude, just get in the yard.